very much. May we be seated? All right, thank you very much. We are at Gatimene grounds, and I'd love that we get someone from Gatimene to invite us here officially, after which we are going also to hear from our COO why we are all here today, and as I also keep my eye on the breakfast on the other end so that we all be ready to begin. And as we go on further, I want to bring to your attention that we are live on Meru TV. So any moment that you see the camera come to your direction, you could wave to the people back at home so that they can see how well you're enjoying your life and doing business. So thank you very much, our team from Meru TV, and we are happy that you're here. A representative from Gatimene Gardens, just to come forward and introduce the teams and also invite us officially here at Gatimene. Karibu sana sir. We can also give him a round of applause as he comes. Karibu sana sir.
Good morning everyone. Mko salama kabisa? Sikieni mko nyumbani, karibuni. You have 2 points of washing hand, moja hapo ingine chini. Then you can proceed and have the tea. Thank you, welcome. I think others taongea when you are finishing the remarks. Also, you have some brochures on the table. You can see our what we offer. Karibuni.
All right, thank you very much. Let's appreciate him. Asante. And just before we serve breakfast, we have our Chief Operations Officer together with us here. So I'd love to invite him so that he can also make his remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, Joseph Maina. Let's appreciate him. Karibu sana sir.
Morning everybody. Bwana asifiwe. Mwadhani ya goshwa. Muga. Mko salama. Joseph Maina is my name. I happen to be the Chief Operations Officer for this program called the Realtors Expo, which has changed to be the Traders and Realtors Expo, which again has translated to what we say today as the CEO's breakfast. Tumeelewana mpaka hapo? And one of the things that happens is whenever I call people and they ask me what am I benefiting from this, I am the biggest beneficiary. When I say I'm the biggest beneficiary is I have like 4 of my former employers here and 2 of my current employers here. Sinaona ni kitu poa? Wacheni kuboeka. I'm not as serious as my suit looks. But essentially what I'm saying is I'm the biggest beneficiary of whatever I do. Hapo sawa. And whenever I see a Mr. Mathu here, who follows me from Nyahururu, Nanyuki, Meru, it says something about the program. Sindio? So today we are here to discuss or to network, to be happy. Don't be too serious. It's Friday. Some of us are bankers. I'm seeing a guy who is matching very well in his suit, probably from Nikop Bank. Optiven. You see the wholesome green. Jackie Mambo. This is Joseph. Alex uko salama? Ah, nice. So I remember all your names. That is my superpower. Irene uko sawa na Shiro? I take relationships very seriously, and that is what peerage is about. Hapo ni sawa mpaka hapo. Peerage is about relationships, not whatever we will do today. It has rained, so if you had planned to exhibit, see, you have failed. So when I woke up this morning, I was thinking about failure. And failure is something that happens to all of us. And today when you're thinking, najua Optiven walikuwa wamepanga kuuza mashamba, then wakapatana na Finsco pia wanataka kuuza mashamba. But essentially, there is always something we can gain from the other person, sindio? Then kuna watu wangu walisha, Interestingly, I'm a director at Alisha Project Ikonanyuki, where we have to, on a continuous basis, fundraise for 30 bob, not a lot of money. Something that Optiven would do for us for a year, something that probably, if we took our children to St. Christopher's, Siwata Shiba. So essentially what we are here today to do is not just check whether we are going to fail ama we are on Meru TV or whatever TV we will be on, and how
Show me what